In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an engine splash shield on a Honda CR-V, which is located underneath the front of the vehicle. Now it's time to remove your engine splash shield. It's held on by a series of clips. Got one here, starting on the driver's side of the vehicle. Sometimes these clips come out in two pieces, like that. Another one beside it, that. Back to the driver's side. Take that one out. Just remember, if you break these, you definitely have to replace them. Take that out. You need to remove these two clips. Just pull down, pull out, pull down, pull out, and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're in the front of the vehicle, underneath your bumper. That. This one's missing. Over this one, pull that out. And there's your splash shield. All right, we're getting ready to install our splash shield. We're on the driver's side of the vehicle. These two holes, you want to tuck inside these two here. Take your two pins and push them through the hole. These grooves here go into these holes, just like that. You can install your clips now. Just to give you a hand with holding it, we'll start with this one instead. Push your clip in. Same thing over here. That in. Push your clip in. I'd like to move to the back of it. That way you don't have to keep holding it up. You can put one of your clips into the back here. Hold that. Then it's going to hold your shield up. Now you can go around to all your other clips and install them. Underneath on the driver's side. Now we're on the driver's side. Tuck that up underneath this other splash shield. Put your clips back in. And do the same on the other side. Now we're on the driver's side. Last one is underneath. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.